Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, with another fun cocktail. And today, well, I have a couple of people that they've been asking me for some champagne cocktails. Today we're going to be making the Pear-Fect French Martini. Please stay here with me, let me show you how we do it. All right, so the Pear-Fect French Martini involves French vodka. However, I was not able to find the Grey Goose pear, so I'm actually gonna have to work with Absolut pear, which is basically the same thing. But you're gonna be needed also Domaine de Canton, which is the ginger French cognac, and you're gonna need some Cointreau, and obviously a little bit of champagne. This cocktail, it is super easy, it is very tasty, and it can be a little powerful, guys. So just take it easy with how fast you're sipping this guy. And let's start with your little shaker. We're gonna go for 1.5 ounces of Absolut pear or Grey Goose pear, whatever you come up with first, okay? Then also we're gonna go for 3/4 of Domaine de Canton French ginger liqueur. And we're gonna go for 3/4 ounce. And on the Cointreau, we're gonna use also 3/4 ounce. All this thing, we're gonna be mixing it. Put some ice in our shaker. Give it a good shake. There we go, nice and chill. Let's make a little double strain, that way we don't have any flakes on it. Okay, and we're gonna top it up with nice brut or Prosecco. Champagne, it will be the recommended part, but whatever you have handy, that's when it's gonna work. For your garnish, you can come up with like a really nice fancy lemon peel. Let me show you the technique. Just grab your peel. And for this purpose, you need like a really nice and thin one. That way it's gonna bend perfectly fine. So you're gonna cut your edges and make it a nice square. Then you're gonna cut it in a long angle. You're gonna go for a nice cut in the center, but also in one edge. There you have it. Cut in the center. It goes in your rim. The Pear-Fect French Martini in champagne for the season. I hope you guys enjoy it. And please, don't forget to subscribe.